Got the GE French door refrigerator here and having a problem with the interior lights. They just totally went dim for no apparent reason. So there's actually one of the lights is out and the rest are dim. Now this can happen where they're all dim, but if there's one that's out, that's probably the problem because they're in a series. So if one goes bad, they all go bad. So I'm going to start here with the one that's out, and you can just take a small flathead screwdriver, and this comes off pretty easily. Just pries off, and then you can see in there's wiring harness and the LED light board. There's just a small clip right here on the top of that you can squeeze and pull this off. Now the next step is you can order the entire piece with the housing, or you can just order the LED light board there, that's what I did, and I'll show you how to get that off. It's a little bit tricky. There's a couple of clips on there that you just squeeze in, and you can pull that off and we'll replace that. Okay, so you can see there's the clips there. Really just need to squeeze one of those with your screwdriver. Pull it out just a little bit, and then take one side out. It's a little bit tricky. Try the other side here. There we go. And there's that part. So I've got my new light in here. So I'll put that in, and that one should just snap right in, and we'll be ready to place it. Okay, so we'll plug this one back in. Okay, so that one is bright, but the rest are still dim, so I'm going to have to go ahead and start up here and go to the next one. Okay, so we got the second one popped out, and hey, there we go. So we had two bad bulbs here. So there we go, we're back in business. We'll put a link to the bulbs on Amazon. You can buy these in as many quantities as you want. Sometimes it's good to just go ahead and get a 7-pack and replace all of them, and you'll be set just in case you have any other bad ones. Good luck.